Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So I got my first sponsorship. I accepted it. It was from Tivisiy. They are a High Park retailer. They do custom woodworking. They make home decor, art decor, things like that. They contacted me and they asked if I would be willing to sponsor some of their stuff on a video and do an unboxing and show what I got. And I was like, looked it over, and I seen that they do a lot of stuff that I want to get into, which is the woodworking and stuff. And I was like, sure, let's do this. So Tivisiy is a one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts, and more that help everyone anywhere create their enlightenment of daily life. I have an exclusive link for Tivisiy down in the description below. So if you want to check them out, if you use the link, it helps us both out. They had some pretty cool stuff. I was surprised.
So this here is the packaging that it came in. It says High Park right on it, as Tivisiy is a retailer of High Park, and they ask you to make sure that the packaging you get from and the people you buy from is actually an approved High Park retailer. But the packaging actually was pretty good. And you'll see here that inside the box, they did a pretty good job of keeping everything secure. It was bubble wrapped. The boxes themselves were, when they were shipped to me, they had bubble wrap on the outside of them. You see all this packing in here to keep them from moving around and being damaged. So that was actually really nice. Here's the heart with the light. Now, I'm sorry about the glare. That's how bright the light was. I could not get a photo or a video with just the light and no glare because it was that bright. But look at that detail. I mean, these are custom pieces, so they're all nice. I mean, that detail is nice. There's the mermaid, and you can't see a lot of the detail in the mermaid right now, but the mermaid does look really nice close up. So there they are lit up. I mean, look at all the detail in that heart. I love that heart. That thing is amazing. So here they are with the light on. You're not getting the glare. And I apologize. I should have been a little closer. But there's the horse. And the horse, is, like I said, is just a coin bank, which I thought was pretty cool. Being a finance channel, that would be something that, just saving money. It won't hold a lot of money, but it's still pretty cool. And there's the mermaid, and there's the heart. And like I said, these are all custom pieces. And I just thought they were really cool, and they actually turned out really nice. I was really surprised at the quality of them. This is pretty high quality stuff.
So there it is. I think these would actually make a great gift for family, friends. You can use them at home for decorations. You can use them obviously for art decor at, say, a business. They're kind of a cool little centerpiece. They're all handcrafted, so each one's going to be slightly different, which I thought it was pretty good for the price for something being unique and handmade. Every product has a different version. You can get it without the lights, and that's a little cheaper. You can get it with the LED lights, and I got mine obviously with the LED lights because I thought the LED light up looked pretty cool. Some of them are even sound activated. I did not get a sound activated one, but if you play music to it, I guess the lights flash and beat with the music or something. But that one, I don't know. Like I said, I did not get that. All in all, this was pretty good. I would recommend it. Here's the only caveat I have. When I ordered, it said you can order so much. This is your gift card that we're giving you. So I said, okay. So I ordered it. It went over their gift card. Well, when it charged to my credit card, it sent me an alert that said this is a possible fraud activity. I don't know if it was going through something that the credit card wasn't accustomed to or what. It just gave me an alert as fraud activity. I looked it up online. Some places said possible fraud. Other places said they were fine. They didn't have an issue with it. The only real reviews that I had was somebody said, basically, I paid for it. They said it was shipped. I never received it. It was hard to get a hold of customer service. So take that with a grain of salt. I did not have an issue. I paid a little bit extra for the things that I got. They actually shipped it pretty quick, and I want to say I got it within maybe 2 weeks. So it did not take long for the item to get here. All in all, hey, I'm pleased. I like what they do. If you want to go check them out, link is in the description below. You'll get a discount, and who doesn't love discounts? So, all right, everybody, have a great day.